Hey guys, it's Brainwave. We've all craved a juicy burger, a slice of pizza, or a sugary donut. It's easy to give in, especially when junk food is engineered to be irresistible. But what happens when we indulge in these guilty pleasures for an entire week? The answer might surprise you. We're talking about some serious and often overlooked changes that happen inside your body. We're diving deep into the science behind how a 7-day junk food binge can impact your health. From energy crashes to surprising skin issues and even the risk of long-term health problems, we're breaking it all down. Get ready to see junk food in a whole new light, because after this video you might think twice before reaching for that bag of chips. Stay tuned. Alright, imagine this. You wake up, you're craving something sweet, so you reach for a donut. Sugar rush. You feel energized, ready to take on the day, but wait. A couple of hours later, that energy plummets. You're sluggish, you can't focus, and all you want is another sugar hit. That, my friends, is the vicious cycle of junk food messing with your energy levels. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and fast food are often loaded with simple carbohydrates. Your body digests these super fast, leading to a rapid spike in blood sugar. And that spike? That's what gives you that initial burst of energy. But here's the catch. What goes up must come down. As your blood sugar levels plummet, you experience an energy crash, you feel tired, irritable, and crave more junk to get that quick fix. This roller coaster of highs and lows isn't just annoying, it's actually messing with your body's natural energy regulation. So, next time you're reaching for that sugary snack or fast food meal, remember the energy roller coaster you're about to ride. We're 3 days into our junk food experiment, and you're probably starting to notice something else besides the energy crashes. Your mood is all over the place. 1 minute you're fine, the next you're snapping at your co-workers or feeling inexplicably down. Believe it or not, there's a strong connection between what you eat and how you feel. And when you're constantly feeding your body junk food, it can wreak havoc on your mood. Remember those blood sugar fluctuations we talked about? They don't just affect your energy, they also mess with your brain chemistry. Your brain relies on a steady supply of glucose, or sugar, to function properly. When your blood sugar spikes and crashes, it disrupts the delicate balance of neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers in your brain that regulate mood, focus, and emotions. Specifically, junk food can lead to imbalances in key neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and norepinephrine. These neurotransmitters play a crucial role in regulating mood, motivation, and feelings of well-being. When they're out of whack, it can lead to a whole range of mood-related issues. So, if you find yourself feeling more irritable, anxious, or experiencing mood swings after a few days of indulging in junk food, don't be surprised. It's your brain and body telling you that they're not happy with the fuel you're providing. By day 4, you're probably experiencing the not-so-pleasant digestive consequences of a junk food diet. The discomfort can be quite overwhelming, making you regret every bite of those greasy burgers and sugary snacks. Bloating, constipation, stomach cramps, these are just a few of the digestive delights that junk food can bring to the table. These symptoms can make daily activities challenging and uncomfortable. So why is junk food so hard on your gut? Well, for starters, it's incredibly low in fiber. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system, and without it, your gut struggles to function properly. Fiber is like the superhero of the digestive system. It not only adds bulk to your stool, but also helps keep things moving along smoothly, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. It adds bulk to your stool, helps keep things moving along smoothly, and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. These good bacteria are crucial for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. Junk food, on the other hand, is typically loaded with processed ingredients, unhealthy fats, and sugar, all of which can wreak havoc on your digestive system. These ingredients can slow down digestion and cause a host of other issues. These foods are notoriously difficult to digest, and they can slow down the entire digestive process, leading to that uncomfortable, bloated feeling. This bloating can make you feel heavy and lethargic. But it's not just the lack of fiber that's the problem. The high fat content in many junk foods can also contribute to digestive issues, making it even harder for your body to process these foods. The high fat content in many junk foods can also contribute to digestive issues. Fat takes longer to digest than protein or carbohydrates, so when you eat a lot of fatty foods, it can make you feel sluggish and heavy. Fat takes longer to digest than protein or carbohydrates, so when you eat a lot of fatty foods, it can make you feel sluggish and heavy. This sluggishness can affect your energy levels and overall well-being. And if your body isn't used to digesting large amounts of fat, it can lead to diarrhea or loose stools. This can be particularly uncomfortable and inconvenient, disrupting your daily routine. The added sugars in junk food can also disrupt your gut microbiome, the trillions of bacteria that live in your digestive tract. These sugars can feed harmful bacteria, leading to an imbalance in your gut flora. These bacteria play a crucial role in digestion, immunity, and even mental health. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health, and disrupting it can have far-reaching consequences. So if you're used to a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, switching to a junk food diet for even a few days can shock your digestive system. This sudden change can lead to a range of digestive issues, making you feel unwell and uncomfortable. It's day 5, and you might be noticing some unwelcome changes in the mirror. Your skin, which was once glowing and vibrant, might now appear dull and tired. Your skin, once radiant and clear, might be looking a little lackluster. This transformation can be quite alarming, especially if you've been indulging in unhealthy foods. Breakouts, increased oiliness, and even dullness can all be side effects of a junk food binge. These skin issues are not just superficial, they reflect deeper imbalances within your body. You might be thinking, what does my diet have to do with my skin? The answer lies in the intricate connection between what you consume and how your body reacts. Well, the connection is stronger than you might think. Your diet plays a crucial role in maintaining the health and appearance of your skin. The food you eat directly impacts the health of your skin. Nutrient-rich foods can enhance your skin's natural glow, while junk food can wreak havoc. Think of your skin as a reflection of what's going on inside your body. When your diet is poor, it shows up on your skin. When you're constantly feeding it junk, it's going to show. Your skin can become a canvas displaying the effects of your dietary choices. One of the biggest culprits when it comes to skin issues is sugar. Excessive sugar intake can lead to a host of skin problems. When you consume a lot of sugar, it triggers a process called glycation. This process can have detrimental effects on your skin structure and appearance. Glycation is basically when sugar molecules attach to proteins in your body, including collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm, elastic, and youthful. This attachment can cause these proteins to become stiff and malformed. This process damages collagen and elastin, leading to wrinkles, sagging skin, and a loss of elasticity. Over time, this can make your skin look older than it actually is. So, that sugary donut you had for breakfast, it's not just a treat, it's a potential skin ager. It's not just bad for your waistline, it's also aging your skin from the inside out. The effects of poor dietary choices can be seen both internally and externally. The high fat content in many junk foods can also contribute to skin issues. These fats can disrupt your skin's natural balance. When you eat a lot of greasy, processed foods, it can increase oil production in your skin, leading to clogged pores and breakouts. This can create a vicious cycle of skin problems. And let's not forget about dairy. For some people, dairy can be a trigger for skin issues like acne. By reducing your intake of sugar, unhealthy fats, and processed foods, and focusing on whole, nutrient-rich foods, you can give your skin the nourishment it needs to look its best. A balanced diet can help restore your skin's natural beauty and health. As we reach the end of our 7-day junk food journey, it's crucial to address the elephant in the room, the long-term health risks associated with a diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats. While indulging in junk food occasionally might seem harmless, the cumulative effects of these dietary choices can be quite detrimental. While a week of indulging might not seem like a big deal, it's essential to understand that these dietary choices, when made consistently over time, can have serious consequences for your health. The more frequently you consume junk food, the more you expose your body to harmful substances that can lead to chronic health issues. One of the most significant risks is obesity. Obesity is not just about carrying extra weight, it is a complex health condition that affects almost every part of your body, from your heart to your joints. Junk food is often calorie-dense and nutrient-poor, meaning it's easy to consume a large number of calories without feeling full or satisfied. This can lead to overeating and, over time, significant weight gain. Over time, this can lead to weight gain, which increases your risk of developing a host of health problems, including type 2 diabetes, heart disease, stroke, and certain types of cancer. The strain on your body from carrying excess weight can also lead to joint problems and decreased mobility. Speaking of type 2 diabetes, this chronic condition is another serious health risk associated with a diet high in junk food. Type 2 diabetes can lead to complications such as nerve damage, kidney disease, and vision problems. When you consume a lot of sugar and refined carbohydrates, your body has to produce more insulin to keep your blood sugar levels in check. This constant demand on your pancreas can eventually lead to its dysfunction. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, a condition in which your cells become less responsive to insulin, leading to elevated blood sugar levels. Insulin resistance is a precursor to type 2 diabetes and can also contribute to other metabolic disorders. Heart disease is another major concern. The impact of junk food on your cardiovascular system can be profound and long-lasting. Junk food is often loaded with saturated and trans fats, which can raise your LDL, bad cholesterol levels, and lower your HDL, good cholesterol levels. This imbalance in cholesterol levels can lead to the buildup of plaques in your arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. This combination increases your risk of developing heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. The damage to your arteries can be irreversible and may require medical intervention. Studies have shown a strong link between a diet high in processed foods and an increased risk of depression, anxiety, and other mental health issues. The lack of essential nutrients in junk food can affect brain function and mood regulation. While the exact mechanisms are still being studied, it's believed that the inflammatory effects of junk food, as well as its impact on gut health and brain chemistry, may play a role. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being, and poor dietary choices can disrupt this balance. By making healthier choices most of the time and limiting your intake of processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing these chronic diseases and improve your overall health and well-being. Incorporating more whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can make a substantial difference in your long-term health. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the shocking ways that just 7 days of junk food can impact your body. From energy crashes and mood swings to digestive issues, skin problems, and even long-term health risks, the evidence is clear. What you eat matters, a lot. By making healthier choices most of the time, you're not just nourishing your body, you're investing in your long-term health and well-being. Did you find this video eye-opening? Let me know in the comments below what surprised you the most. And don't forget to subscribe to Brainwave for more videos on how to optimize your health and well-being.